Click cell F20. You will use the IPMT function here to calculate the interest portion of loan payment 6 using the parameters listed in the loan summary table. Type =, negative sign, IPMT, open parenthesis, in cell F. Because loan payments are debits, you need to type a negative sign in front of the function name to return a positive value. As you type, Excel displays prompts for function arguments. Click cell D7. This is the monthly interest rate. Press F4 to use an absolute reference. F4 converts the cell reference to an absolute reference, so you can accurately copy the formula to the remaining cells in the column. Type a comma to Next, you will enter the per argument. Click cell A20. You are calculating the interest for loan payment number 6, referenced by cell A20. By using a relative cell reference here, instead of typing the number 6, you can copy the formula to other column cells. Type a comma. Next, you will enter the N per argument, or the total number of payments associated with the loan. Click cell D9. Press F4 to use an absolute. Type a comma to continue. You will now enter the loan amount. Click cell D5. Press F4 to type close parenthesis. Press Enter. Excel returns the result of the IPMT calculation in cell F20.